Hello everyone, welcome back to Job and Tech Updates YouTube channel. So today we have come up with one of the good job opportunity from HCL which is related to HR position where no coding and experience is required to apply this. As you can see the title here, it is HR Talent Supply Chain. And once you get hired, you might get posted in Chennai location and the designation would be Senior Executive. So if you just get into job description, what you all have to do is you should be capable of recruiting candidates after discussing with your project team as per the business need. That means you should be able to hire right candidates at the right time with a reasonable package. Also later on you should be able to give your proper data analysis based on the interviews that you have taken, candidates selected, candidates rejected to your manager. That means you should be able to provide your feedback once the candidate profile review is done. So these are few set of responsibilities which are related to this HR role. And coming to skills, here they have given it as MBA. So all MBA graduates can apply this job. Also based on experience 0 to 2.5 years. That means both freshers and experienced are eligible to apply this. So based on this experience, your salary may vary from 3 to 10 lakhs per annum. And the application deadline to apply this is 12th November. Though we have almost 1 month time to apply this, make sure to apply it as soon as possible before it gets closed. So this is a very quick information about this role. And now let's get into few set of interview questions that are being asked which will help you to clear this all the rounds like a technical round, general interview, manager round and multiple choice questions. So let me give you a quick information about questions that are being asked in any of these rounds. Tell us about yourself. Why should we hire you? What do you think about HCL? What interests you most about this position? How do you feel about working nights and weekends? Where do you see yourself 5 years from now? How much salary do you expect? Where did you leave from your previous job? Are you comfortable working anywhere? What are your strengths and weaknesses? What do you know about a company? How did you apply for this role? How capable are you to handle the pressure in this company? So these are few set of questions which will help you to clear this rounds in this role. But make sure to prepare even other set of questions apart from this. So this is all about this role from HCL. As there is no coding and experience required, it would be easy for you to clear this job. So if you find this video informative, please like and subscribe our channel and stay tuned to further updates. Thank you.